Okay, so experiment number 2. Now, I was carrying the theme through looking at nature, but what I need to do in this instance, this if you like, this experiment, a little bit more dangerous. So I need to make sure I've got myself a first aid kit just in case. Pair of goggles, because I need to protect my eyes for this one. So I put those on now anyway. And no, I'm not going to use a chainsaw. That'd be too dangerous. I'm not silly. Right, what we're going to look at. Okay, your common chicken egg. Now, it's an experiment that I've seen done on the internet, but I've only seen it done with somebody who doesn't really weigh too much. Now, I weigh, as I've already said before, 92 kilograms. Now, the structure of the egg, okay, the oval shape, should, in theory, any force that's placed down on the shell should be transmitted around the shell down to the bottom, keeping the shell intact. Again, the outside of the shell is curved, so it's convex shape, and the convex shape naturally resists being pushed in. The only thing that would go wrong on this is if the eggs were damaged. This one is damaged, so I've pulled it out of the experiment. So, okay, so let's see how strong these eggs are and if it can take my weight. Okay, so here goes. Right, I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop that experiment there because what we have found is perhaps somebody of my weight, the eggs are not actually standing up. So just to have a quick look what's happened. That experiment, if you like, wasn't really a success, except for the fact that what you've seen on YouTube with eggs taking the weight of people, they can, and I was putting my feet down evenly and gently, but with my extra weight, what I've done is created lots of scrambled egg. But what we can do, say if I pull one of the eggs up, to prove the experiment in that case. Now I'm nowhere near, okay, with my hands going to be able to apply the amount of pressure, okay, per square inch, if you like, of my weight dropping on the eggs. So from the egg, I shouldn't be able to crush the egg from here. So from here, okay, so what that is showing is the structure of the egg is sound and strong and can take a lot of weight, but of course everything's got a limit, and I think I've gone and found the limit of these eggs with me. I'm going to try one more thing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the eggs, I'm going to apply some pressure on the top with a piece of timber and stand on that and see if the eggs will hold my weight in that case. Okay, so if we have a look at these eggs, they're all intact. Applying a piece of board. As you can see, my weight onto the eggs is a little bit too much. But as you saw when I was holding the egg, I can't actually crush the egg unless the egg is damaged. So, conclusions for this. One, either all the eggs that have broken are damaged, and I don't think they would have been, because I only bought them yesterday, at great expense. Two, my body weight onto those eggs is past its point of failure, which is probably more like it. And two, I'm going to have a lot of egg-based dinners in the next few weeks. Thank you.